Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the Canon EOS M50 mirrorless camera bundle from Paging Zone. This kit comes with the EOS M50, a compact interchangeable lens camera perfect for those looking to up their photography and videography game. The fast and improved autofocus system ensures you capture every moment with precision. Now, let's talk lenses. The Canon EOS M50 to 45mm f3.5 to 6.3 is STM lens is a tiny powerhouse, offering great optical performance and versatility in a lightweight package. With a 35mm equivalent 24 to 72mm range, it's perfect for both wide-angle shots and detailed headshots. The Canon EF 75 to 300mm f4 to 5.63 lens adds to the versatility, providing a 4x telephoto zoom for sports, portraits, and nature photography. But that's not all. The bundle includes a 500mm f8 preset telephoto lens for capturing distant subjects, ideal for wildlife photography or sporting events. The M adapter allows you to mount Canon EF and EFS lenses onto the EOS M mirrorless camera, expanding your creative possibilities. And with the Mic 05 microphone, your video captures will have enhanced audio quality. Now, let's talk accessories. The bundle includes a cushioned camera bag for convenient and safe transportation, 2 tulip hoods, a 3PC filter kit, UV, FLD, CPL, 32GB and 64GB SanDisk memory cards, a lens cap keeper, spider tripod, Canon battery and charger, an extra replacement battery, AC/DC travel charger, and a pen and blower set.in summary. This pre-owned or refurbished bundle, backed by a 1-year seller warranty, offers a fantastic professional experience. The Canon EOS M50 bundle is a comprehensive kit for aspiring photographers and videographers, providing the tools needed to capture stunning moments. If you're on the lookout for a versatile and reliable camera setup, this bundle is definitely worth considering. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.